Today we are going to look at the structure of a DNA molecule. DNA or deoxyribonucleic acid is a type of nucleic acid. It is present in all living cells as a genetic material, and some viruses also contain DNA as a genetic material, others possess RNA. DNA was discovered in 1868 by the German biochemist Friedrich Mischer, and who called it as nuclein. In 1940 and 1950, DNA's role in determining heredity had been confirmed by several experimental evidences. Structure of DNA molecule. It is formed of three components, that is phosphoric acid, pentose sugar and nitrogen bases. Nitrogen bases is again divided into two groups, that is purines and pyrimidines. What is nucleoside and what is a nucleotide? Sugar plus base form the nucleoside, and nucleoside plus phosphoric acid form the nucleotide. Several nucleotide forms the polynucleotide, and DNA is a polynucleotide. A base linked with a pentose sugar molecule is called a nucleoside, and a nucleotide is derived from the nucleoside by the addition of one or more molecule of phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid. Phosphoric acid has 3 hydroxyl group, and the one of the hydroxyl group attached to the 3' carbon of the pentose sugar with the phosphoester bond, and other hydroxyl group of the phosphoric acid attached to the 5' carbon of the neighboring pentose sugar. And so phosphate was discovered by Levin in 1910. Phosphoric acid has 3 hydroxyl group. The 2 OH group are involved in forming sugar phosphate backbone of both DNA and RNA. A phosphate group binds to the 5' carbon of one and 3' carbon of the neighboring pentose sugar molecule. The phosphate make nucleic acid negatively charged. So here we got answers of two questions. What is the backbone of DNA, that is sugar phosphate, and what is the charge of DNA, that is negatively charged, and why it's so. So nucleoside. Nucleoside means base plus pentose sugar, and its bond is glycosidic bond. And nucleotide. Nucleotide means base plus phosphate group, and this bond is phosphoester bond. See the second phosphate group. Here we can see that one of the hydroxyl group attached to the carbon at the 5th position and other attached to the carbon at the 3rd position, and it forms 2 bond, that is phosphodiester bond. It's a structure of nucleotide, and here we can see nucleoside. Pentose sugar. Pentose sugar means a 5 carbon sugar, and the 5 carbon sugar in DNA is deoxyribose sugar. So let's look the difference between ribose and deoxyribose. In deoxyribose, the second position an oxygen atom is lacking. In ribose sugar, the second position an oxygen group is present and it forms a hydroxyl group. And the hydroxyl group are highly reactive. As a result, the ribose sugar is unstable. In the case of deoxyribose sugar, it is stable. So DNA contains deoxyribose sugar. It is a 5 carbon sugar. Since oxygen atom at the second carbon missing, it gets the name deoxy. Organic bases. Organic bases or nitrogen bases in DNA is again divided into two, that is purines and pyrimidines. Pyrimidine is cytosine and thymine in DNA, and uracil in the case of RNA. Cytosine and uracil in the case of RNA. And pyrimidine base is a 6-membered pyrimidine ring with a just like a benzene ring. The difference is that in the 3rd position nitrogen, in the 3rd and 1st position nitrogen atom replaces the carbon atom. Cytosine and thymine in DNA, and cytosine and uracil in case of RNA. Pyrimidine bases are made of 6-membered pyrimidine ring which is similar to the benzene ring except it contains nitrogen in place of carbon at positions of 1 and 3. Purine, there are two purine compounds, that is adenine and guanine. It consists of a pyrimidine ring and a 5-membered imidazole ring having nitrogen at 1, 3, 7 and 9th position. The pentose sugar is joined to the base by a glycosidic bond, that is carbon atom 1 of the pentose sugar and nitrogen 9 of the purine base. In the case of pyrimidine, it is carbon atom 1 and nitrogen atom 3rd in the case of pyrimidine ring. And the purine pyrimidine bond. Adenine always forms bond with the thymine and cytosine always form bond with guanine. Adenine thymine bond is double bond and cytosine guanine bond is triple bond. This is a summary of what we have learned so far. Structure of pyrimidine, structure of purine, and here we can see the structure of adenine, guanine and thymine, cytosine, uracil, phosphate group and nucleotide. Nucleotide means base, sugar and phosphate molecule, and base sugar, that is nucleoside. So, here the bond is N-glycosidic bond. Then what is deoxyribose sugar and ribose sugar.